Boise River is really the lifeblood of our city. Everybody takes their family down to the river, but not only that, it attracts visitors, it attracts tourists, and that Boise River that we know and love wouldn't be the same without its water quality.
In 2016, the city of Boise commissioned a groundbreaking new phosphorus removal facility that runs on Aviva's system platform. The Dixie Drain project removes up to 140 pounds of phosphorus per day and about 8,000 tons of wet solids per year.
So that's why this project, Dixie Drain, and all the work that the city of Boise does on water quality is so vital.
The Dixie Drain project is a response to regulations requiring a 98% reduction in the amount of phosphorus leaving the city of Boise's treatment facilities. Roughly 80% of water leaving existing water treatment facilities is used downstream to irrigate agricultural fields, where it mixes with fertilizers and picks up more phosphorus before draining into the Snake River.
The EPA regulations, they're a very big part of what we do with water quality and how we treat and clean water at the city of Boise. And so for every pound of phosphorus not removed in the city of Boise, we actually remove 1.5 pounds of phosphorus at Dixie Drain.
The flow and phosphorus concentration at Dixie Drain are measured at both the inlet and outlet, where operators record the pounds entering and leaving the facility in Aviva Historian. The bound phosphorus material will then be dredged and dried at Dixie Drain.
The theory was it was more efficient to build a new plant that can pull phosphorus from irrigation runoff. Being part of that project at one of the wastewater plants in the city was a great experience to carry them forward from in-touch to system platform and standardize their engineering architecture in a way that matched West Boise.
In fact, the City of Boise Public Works leans heavily on Aviva's system platform to control both of its water, wastewater plants, support its public facilities, and supervise geothermal wells below ground that pump heat into government buildings.
We have the same programming across the board, and when we make a change, we can deploy it down all the instances below. It's very handy from one place. We can log in and change any one of the sites over system platform through that link. So it makes it very handy from an engineer standpoint. It takes minutes instead of hours to get a problem solved, and that turns into time and money and labor force. So.
For the same cost as upgrading facilities at the existing treatment plants, the Dixie Drain project removes much more phosphorus and sediment from the Boise River, improving not only river aesthetics, but improving habitat for fish and aquatic life.
One thing that impresses me when I go out to Dixie Drain is the clarity of the water that's going out. Just looking at it, how it's super clear. And you look at it and you go, wow, we're putting some really clean water back.
At its heart, what Dixie Drain is, it's a better environmental return on investment for getting phosphorus out of the river and ultimately ending up with a cleaner Boise River and cleaner Snake River.